In the last video, we learned about different user roles and capabilities. In this video, we will see how to add a new user. To add a new user is quite simple. So let's do it. If you are an admin of the website, you can easily add a user. So to add a user, click on users, then click on add new. Here you can see we have to add different field. So let's say we want to add a user as a contributor, so we can easily add it. So let's do it. Here you can see I have added a username, so you need to add a username, which is a required field. Now I have added the email, which is also a required field. Now I'll add the first name and last name. After adding these details, now I have to add the website if the owner has a website. Now we will change the password because the user is not having a website right now. So the password is the default password, but you can change it. So we will change it now. So this is the default password. We will change it now. So as you can see, it is the strong password, so we can use it. Now the next section is send user notification. If we want the user to understand that we have sent an email to him that he has been added successfully, so we will click on it, but right now we won't click on it. Now we will change the user role. The default is subscriber. We want to add a contributor, so we will change it. So let's do it. So as you can see, I have changed the user role. Now we just have to click on add new user. Just click it. So here you can see we have added a new user with the name Kunal 1987 username. So in this video we saw how to add a new user to our website. In the next video we will see how to edit a user detail. Thank you for watching.